In this sad world we live in, the government bought all trains, and there's a lot of lonely people, and they're all flying airplanes. Well, they think they're closer to heaven, Lord, but that is far from true. You gotta take that ride on the River Jordan, see what a boy from Galilee can do. So just hey ho, let it go. You're either gonna die young or you live to grow up. Go down to the river where the water's flowing like a southbound train. It's gonna lead you home, and let that Bible bell holy roll. I got a Baptist choir singing in my soul, singing roll on Jordan, roll on. Still singing roll on Jordan, roll. Shining over my hometown, and I gotta say, you know, I know you hey, oh, let it go. You either gonna die young or you live to grow up. Go down to the river where the water's flowing like a southbound train. Gonna lead you home. Let that Bible bell holy roll. I got a Baptist choir singing in my soul, so you roll on. And I said, hey, ho, let it go. You're either gonna die young or you live to grow old. Go down to the river where the water's flowing like a southbound train. It's gonna lead you home, and let that Bible bell holy roll. I got a Baptist choir singing in my soul, singing roll on Jordan, roll. Still singing roll on Jordan.